Okay, good morning coders. How are we today? I hope you're excellent. Right, I'm going to show you how to share the links from the work you've been doing and your daily reflections in Word and PowerPoint. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the games review doc. You need to share that link first of all. So to do that, click on share and then click on anyone with the link and edit, because you don't want me to change your Word document. So just uncheck this box here and then press apply. Okay, now what you'll need to do is press copy link. It generates a link for you, and then you just press Command and C to copy that, and then you go to your coding portfolio and then you select phase 1, and I'm just going to select the text there, right click and select link, and then Command V to paste that in. Okay, so that's linked the document so that I can check it. Okay, I also need you to link the game design documents, the GDD. Do need to share the link to this portfolio with me. So, like we did with the Word document, click on share, and then, of course, select anyone with the link and edit. Then uncheck allow editing, press apply, and then copy the link, press Command C, and then I need you to email me this one. Now, don't email me per person, just email me per group, because there should only be one coding portfolio per group. There was one other bit I need to show you, and in fact, the most important part. You need to link and upload your game. So, what did I do? I added in a rounded rectangle and then typed in the game. So I'm just going to change that to Irish LLG. Irish Language Learning Game. I'm sure that your game names will be way more creative than mine. So once you've prepared the slide, this is slide 2, with your text box and the beautiful text inside that, we need to upload the game to OneDrive. So what I'm going to do here is click on the ... to show actions and press copy link. But in fact, it's not copying, you're creating a link. What I'll do, I'll let Microsoft know that they've got that wrong, and but for now we'll just click on it. And then, just to be on the safe side, we will click anyone with the link and edit, because we don't want anyone to edit that. So uncheck the allow editing, press apply. It then creates the link, and then press Command C, of course, which copies it. Go into your portfolio, and for the final piece, we highlight the text, right click, select link, and then Command V to paste that in. Oh, but there's another part. Let's test the link. So, go up to view, go to play, let it load. Oh, super quick today. And you can see that it has in fact linked it. Let's select it to see what happens. Yes, indeed. Scratch files are not compatible with Office, so we would need to download that. Thank you very much for watching.